Fresh day is dawning in the next round of the Big Hairy Monster Hide-and-Seek Championships. Here's Eduardo, thinking himself invisible. Here we have our targets, Mac and Blue. It's their job to spot him, it's his job to hide. Not easy to do when you're 4 foot wide and covered in purple hair. But, oh, he started well with a classic round the corner peek. It took him 12 years in training to perfect it.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for Woodley County in northern Indiana, Huntington County in northern Indiana, Allen County in northern Indiana, until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a near stationary line of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall rates of 8 inches per hour in southeast Woodley County, southwest Huntington County, and western Allen County have been detected. Flash flooding has begun in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Roanoke, Mayen, Avoyt, Briarwood Hills, Zanesville, Ellisville, Dunn Mill, Yoder, Columbia City, Tunker, Lod, Raber, Arcola, Fort Wayne, Hessen Castle, and New Haven. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Sioux Falls residents west of Interstate 29 must stop water usage immediately. Please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, and using showers. Only use water for drinking purposes. Water does not need to be boiled. Discontinue all other uses of water. There is an issue with the sanitary source system, which may cause sewer backups in the affected area. Potential sewer backups will occur from an area bounded to the north, from the North Minnesota Avenue water plant to the south by 26th Street. The eastern boundary is along Minnesota Avenue, and the western boundary along Western Avenue. Residents in the affected area should work to move critical items from their basements to higher elevations until Public Works can fix the problem. In addition, sanitary sewage is being discharged into the Big Sioux River south of West 12th Street. Residents should stay out of the Big Sioux River and parks adjacent to the river, including bike trails. Discharges into Cavell Lake and Overland north of Falls Park are also occurring. Residents are advised to stay out of these areas.
This is BBC Television from London. Please stand by for any information. Normal programming has been suspended. This is...
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an update to the Global Emergency Action Notification that was issued 11 hours ago. The asteroid, 2016 Y238, is confirmed to collide with Earth. This asteroid will impact Earth within the next hour. This asteroid is approximately 3 miles wide. There is nothing humanity can do to stop this. When the asteroid impacts, giant mega-tsunamis will form, megaquakes will occur, and the sun will be blocked entirely for about 10 years. All organisms on Earth will die when this happens. Bring all your family and friends in an underground shelter and brace for the end. This is the EAS guy, Tom, signing off for the final time. We now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.
Father, it's me, Michael. I did it. I found it. It was right where you said it would be. They were all there. They didn't recognize me at first, but then they thought I was you. And I found her. I put her back together, just like you asked me to. She's free now. But something is wrong with me. I should be dead, but I'm not. I've been living in shadows. There is only one thing left for me to do now. I'm going to come find you. I'm going to come find you.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. NASA has recently discovered a massive asteroid, named 2016 Y238, which is on a direct collision course with Earth. This asteroid will impact Earth within the next 12 hours. This asteroid is 3 miles wide, which means that an impact will cause global destruction. NASA is attempting to build a rocket or a nuclear missile at the asteroid from hitting Earth and ending all life as we know it. This message will repeat in 1 minute. We will update you on the current situation shortly. This is a global emergency action notification. All news and radio stations across the world should transmit this emergency action notification message. All programming has been suspended indefinitely due to an ongoing global event. This is CUSA. We will continue to serve the Denver area. If you are not in this area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your local area. This message is issued for the United States only. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Denver area. Do not use